What's up, YouTube? This is my first video on the lock picking series, and I'm going to be doing a demonstration of the Kronos by Multi-Pick. And it's a very fine tool to have in your arsenal because sometimes some locks are just a pain to pick, and sometimes this can get in it. Well, actually, a lot of times this can get in it quicker. So it really just depends on the type of lock, but I'll just go through all these locks and just kind of show you how it works. And I just put the tension wrench in like normal, and the side opposite of the button is the side you want the swing on. It has the most swing, so and then I just stick it in there and go against the pins and start picking it. With slight tension, and normally, especially with these simpler hardware store type locks, it works a lot faster. But you get the ones with all the security pins in it, it will still pick a lot of them, but it takes a little longer. It's not quite so fast. This one has a one spool pin in it, but that time it got around pretty quick. Sometimes it takes a while. This one has a couple spool pins in it. Sometimes, if it takes too long, I'll skip it, and I might try it again at the end of the video. I'll try about 20 seconds total. But you can see I'm getting caught in that false shut. So at this point, I'm just resetting and trying over and over again. And I've had this pick incredibly fast, and then sometimes it takes a couple of minutes. It all depends on your luck. Okay, I'm going to skip that one for now and go to the next one. Just go through all of them, and I'll just revisit that one at the end. That way I don't bore you to death. Like I said, sometimes it's just as fast as using the key. Especially on these locks right here. These ones always pick fast. Boom. That is just as fast as the key. So yeah, I'll probably be doing later on, I'll make some videos with some door locks and things like that. Whoops. But yeah, it's a really good tool to have as an extra option. If you can't pick the lock, or if you need to pick it really quick, I mean, you're not going to be picking like an ASA twin with it, or I don't think you're going to pick like a Medico, or, you know, anything with a sidebar. It's just not going to happen. But for most locks, it'll pick them no problem. I mean, as you can see, pretty easy for most of them. Let's try this one more time. Let's see if I can get it open on camera. I've got it open before, so. Sometimes I'll adjust the swing. I've got it pretty wide. Let's try a little wider, and then maybe try a little narrower. Sometimes you just have to play with it. Whoa. I've had these tension wrenches fly out clear across the table before, so you definitely gotta watch out for that. Let me try it one more time like that. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I haven't really exactly got the method down for picking the spool pins or the security pins. I haven't really messed with that a whole lot, but there's definitely a technique to this because the more I use it, the better I get at it. But I'm not entirely sure how to approach this. I'm just I mean, I would have already had this picked if I was picking it normally. Man, I'm not going to waste any more time on it. Like I said, I've picked it before. Sometimes it picks in a matter of seconds. Sometimes it takes 5 minutes. But yeah, more than often, like these little simple locks, it seems to always work on them really quick. And boom, done. Just as fast as it can be almost. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any recommendations or anything like that, just leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe because this is a new channel. I'm going to try to get as many subscribers as I can. And I guess that's it for this series, and hopefully in the future I'll revisit once I get a little bit better at using this thing, because there definitely is a little bit of technique to it. But yeah, so alright, I'll see you in the next video.